we're going to be making these roses for Mother's Day, and I'm going to be making this for my mom. So for the rose, you're going to need one sheet of double-sided origami paper. First, you're going to fold it in half. Next, we're going to unfold, rotate, and fold in half about there, like that. Now we're going to unfold like this, turn over, and we're going to diagonally fold in half. Just in the middle there. And now bring it. Now unfold, rotate, and do the same. Now you're going to take these two corners and open like this. So you're going to push it like this, and then flatten like that. Now rotate and fold this corner to the top. And do the same. Now open the pocket, stick your finger inside, and squash it. Same with this side. Now fold this corner to the top and fold this corner to here. Now we're going to fold this edge so it aligns with this edge and goes to front. Unfold and squash it. Open and squash it. And now you're going to open this little interior flap and fold it to there. Now fold this flap up and fold this flap up. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to bring these two corners edges together and flatten, and bring these two edges together and flatten. Now, fold, airplane fold. Now fold this to the top. Turn over and fold these to the top. Now comes the tricky step. We're going to hold here and we're going to open up here and flatten. So that was the tricky step. And now comes another tricky step. We're trying to make the spiral. So, you're going to open these two and just put your fingers like this, holding down here, start twisting it, and 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 you just bring it all together like this, and there's your rose. Bye. See you guys next time.